How to use GameStop gift card online. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, let's go ahead and open up your browser on your PC, and then in the search bar search for GameStop.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. So once you have logged in, you want to go ahead and simply browse through and add the product or games you would like to buy to your cart. In my case, I have already added an item to my cart. So let's go ahead and simply tap on cart right over here and press it to check out. So let's go ahead and tap on proceed to checkout right over here. If you're buying a physical product, you'll need to enter your delivery details. But if it's a digital product, you'll move straight to the payment option. Inside here, you'll then be able to find an option that says add gift card or trade-in credit. You want to go ahead and simply tap onto it, and here you want to go ahead and enter the gift card number, also type in the PIN. Once everything is done, simply tap on apply and the value of the gift card will be applied to your order. And then you are good to go. And that's it, guys. You have successfully used your GameStop gift card online. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.